At Radity, we like technologies that are open, flexible, scalable, and productive. The productivity is a key factor in making a startup grow. We have two main development stacks or technology stacks. One is based on open source technologies, particularly Python programming language. This stack based on Python, Django framework, and PostgreSQL can run on-premise and cloud. We have been using it over 10 years successfully, and we have observed a lot of our clients grow with this stack. For the last 2 years, we have also been working with Azure and Microsoft stack based on .NET Core. Especially clients who prefer integration with enterprise platforms or bigger banks and corporates prefer the Azure and Microsoft stack. We also find it quite productive, and it's also our observations that Microsoft is investing heavily and growing in this area in the cloud business.